Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Fantom is or did come down also in a three-wave correction here. That could be done. I mean, it has broken now above the previous swing high and is on its way up. I don't have a clear five-wave move up of the lows though. But first of all, let me hide that orange box there. I don't need that one anymore because we had two support areas here that were overlapping. So basically one large support area because two different scenarios were possible, either here in a 1-2-1-2 scenario or in a larger one and then A overshooting B wave and C. To be honest, I'm still unclear which of these two is going to work out. It doesn't make any difference in the short term. It broke briefly below the orange support area, so you would actually think, right, it might just be a wave 1 to the upside of the 10th of March low to the 14th of March high, then an A wave down, overshooting B wave and a C wave down, but it only very briefly dropped below that 78.6 retrace, so it was not a sustained break. I still will delete that support area now, otherwise we just don't see anything. At the moment I'm counting it as a 1-2-1-2 setup, but it might become a 1-A, B, C. In the short term, doesn't make a difference. It came down in three waves. Could be that we're now breaking out. Yeah, it broke out of the trend channel again, this corrective price channel, and again, it broke above the previous swing high. What are the next targets for the bulls? Well, the bulls need to break above the B wave high, that is 50.7 cents, then 53.4. These are very important levels to break out above. I mean, let me just add them to the chart here with this dotted line. We've got one here, which is the wave 1 high. Actually, that's the first one. That's at 48.6 cents. Then the B wave high, very clear one. We have a lot of reactions there, right? And then the larger, or no, the smaller degree wave 1 high. These are all resistance areas on the way up. What we're looking for is now a third wave rally. Again, it could still come down once more into the yellow box, but then it would need to hold the 35.3 cent level. Let me actually double check that. I might have drawn them. Let me see. Yeah, okay, now we leave it like that. Well, actually, let me just double check something. I might rather want to set them down a little bit because then we reacted to the 50% fib level. Yeah, I think I'll leave it like that. So 34.3. Yeah, I'd rather keep it safe and leave the support a little lower. Because it could be this was the one, then an A, B, C, and then I'd rather draw the fibs from the 10th of March low to the 14th of March high, and it gives us the 34.3 cent level as basically invalidation. So as long as we hold above 34.3 cents, it remains my view, we can focus on higher. Third wave target would be, let's just draw that up. Again, that might differ a little bit from what actually happens depending on do we have a 1-2-1-2 or a large 1-2, but just to give you some guide here, a guideline for that target for a third wave, we talk here about roughly 65 cents. What we're eventually looking for is in this third wave, it's basically a third wave rally. And the third wave in itself should have 5 subwaves. So something like this, a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. What I have to do is just change the wave degree. Something like that is what we want to see. So the first deep pullback will give us a very clear picture of, has the trend shifted? Because, eventually what we want to see is 5 waves up. Maybe we just do the last wave up in this wave 1, then a wave 2 down, maybe a retest of the trend channel from above, and then a small third wave of third rally. So that's sort of, it's looking good at the moment. Generally the crypto market seems quite friendly today, especially on the altcoin side. So it's worth watching that. And there's certainly now another chance to rally, but don't be surprised if it comes back into the yellow area because we haven't broken above the B wave high. Yeah, we haven't really in a sustainable way broken above resistance. But if we can do that, that will reduce the likelihood of coming back into the yellow box. For now, the trend is up. Yeah, if you look at this, we have obviously come down off the December lows. We rallied, we've come down in 3 waves, have rallied again in an impulse, and come down in 3 waves again. So the trend is up. Let's see if we can break out now from here. The levels should be clear, invalidation points should be clear, trend direction is clear. All right, that's my update about Fantom. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.